Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Mazda CX5 Max. Stock reference number 4765. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2017 through to the 8th month 2018. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre with the left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Park sensor type. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Sold complete. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, power fold type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, owner's manual, and in a dealership case, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.